If you are in a market for a good soapstone, something to kind of put your soap on and not just have it in your shower caddy, take a look at this one. We're going to be doing a full review on it. I'm going to tell you about the good, the bad, and the ugly about this soapstone. So number one, right off the bat, it is kind of like that rubbery kind of material, so it is super flexible, but it is sturdy as well. So when you put your soap on here, it's going to sit right here on the ledge and not slip and slide all over the place, even if the soap is wet, which I absolutely love. I love that it has these weep holes here. So just in case you do, you're in the shower, you put your, the wet soap here, all the water is going to drain out from here, which I absolutely love that feature about it. I will say though, because it does have these indentions here at the bottom, sometimes, depending on if you're in the shower and it gets wet inside your caddy, the water does tend to sit underneath here. So you kind of just have to like move it every once in a while, just so, no water builds up under there. But I mean, even if it does, it doesn't matter. It's just going to give it like that kind of like hard water stain. So just kind of be mindful of that. But overall, I absolutely love this. I use this exclusively. You can fit 2 bars of soap on here, one on this side and one on this side. Obviously, they're going to be sitting out just, past the actual soapstone, but they're going to sit in their place. They're not going to be moving and slipping and sliding all over the place. It also has these nice rubberized like grommets here, so it's going to keep it from slipping and sliding and moving. Once it's in place, it's not going anywhere. Obviously, it doesn't stick there, but it's very durable, guys. I absolutely love it. You can twist it, you can turn it, you can do the things. And if for whatever reason it does get dirty, you can just wash it with your hand. You can throw it in the dishwasher. It is dishwasher safe as well. They have a few different colors, variations. I got the gray color and I absolutely love it. So hopefully this review did help you out in some way in making your decision on if you wanted to grab this stone or not.